Hey, hello everyone. How to find duplicates in Google Sheet conditional formatting. So let's start. So here I select the one column cell someone. Select the first cell and use the shortcut key Shift Control down arrow to select the entire column. After that, go to the Format tab and here click on Conditional Formatting. The right hand side, you can see the conditional format rules is open. Here range is automatically selected. In format rules, let's click on the drop down arrow. Then select here custom formula is. Enter here formula. So use the is equal to and enter the count if in bracket. Copy this range. Just select this range and use the Control C to copy and paste here Control V. Then use the comma and enter here the first cell address of selected data. So here selected data is F column. The F column first cell address is F2. So I just enter here F2, bracket closed, enter the greater than sign, enter the 1, and that's it. Here you can see the duplicate value is found. Now to highlight these duplicate values, the formatting style, just click on fill color option and just select the color those you want to highlight. So I select this one and that's it. So hope you understood. If you like these, please subscribe. Thank you.